Hello, YouTubes. It's raining. Isn't it great? I know it's great. So the internet has been screwing. Or it's not even the internet. It's the computer. It's a Mac. So that's why it's screwed up. But yesterday's vlog, which I uploaded today, and hopefully this one's going to be uploaded today as well. The computer, it won't do anything internet related. It says that it's connected to the internet, but it won't actually do anything. I'm gonna get electrocuted, and you guys are gonna have some quality YouTube stuff. That'll be good. But yeah. So anyway, okay. So tonight we're having people over. It's someone who works for my dad. His name is Mr. Brown. Just kidding. His last name, well, yes, that's true, but nobody calls him Mr. Brown, I assume. My principal's name is Mr. Brown, actually. So there's lots of brown people. Like me, I'm brown, but my last name isn't Brown. And he has two daughters, one 19, one 16. So I hope they're entertaining. Hopefully they are. Look at that rain. Let me show you how crazy. It's like we're having spring now. Usually we have weather like this like every year, but not during the summer. See that? Wait. We have like a geyser, like river going, man. That's crazy. Zoom out. Come on. So yeah. Hopefully I'm getting better at this talking to myself thing, because school's about to start and I'll be talking to myself a lot. No, I'm kidding. Kind of. It's a documentary. We're stalking Melanie. Here we see her. Here we see her in our natural habitat. Get it? Cause you're. Ah! Why?
No, people.
Oh, okay. That's disgusting.
Get out of my face.
Or I'll eat that too. I don't know if you can see me, but Melanie's sleeping now. I think. Yes, she is. We're watching The Office. It's like 2, I think. Yeah. So I guess I'll see you tonight. Sorry. 2 today.